Hey, my name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today we're looking at a 2023 Thor Tranquility. The model is a 19L. It's a Class B motorhome. Overall total length is going to be 19 foot 8 inches. Going to sit on a Mercedes chassis. It's going to have off-road. So this is what's cool about these Tranquilities are they've got the off-road tires. They've got the Thule awning that comes off. They feature a 3,000 watt inverter. They also are going to feature a lot of different jam-packed features as far as, you know, an air conditioner. They've got the Truma Combi Eco furnace and water heating system, the solar charge controller, the Winegard Connect, the Thule bike rack, patio awning, and roof ladder. You know, Thor, as far as in the motorhome industry, they're tremendous as far as putting out a great product and everything as well. Hey, good afternoon. My name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today we are looking at a 2023 Tranquility 19L. It's going to sit on a Mercedes chassis. This is made by Thor. Jam-packed with a bunch of different features here. So obviously I just wanted to show the up front first because, you know, it just looks sleek, aggressive with the Mercedes. Let's move over to the door side of the unit, the main entry. As you come down, you're going to notice you've got the Thule awning up top. I'm just going to run through some of the things. So you've got off-road tires, right? So you've got off-road. It's built for being off-road. You're going to feature a 3,000 watt inverter under the hood with the alternator and generator. This does have the Truma. As far as the AC goes, you got the Thule power awning that'll come out, frameless windows. Look how cool this is. They even put a JBL portable speaker right here for you. So, you know, you're at your campsite, want to get some music going, you can just Bluetooth it right with your phone. Got a little place to, you know, USB plug-ins, 110 outlets, a spot that'll come up and down as far as giving you some more stuff out here to hang and stuff. It does have the 2-year limited warranty that comes from Thor. Let's go to the back. Let's take a look at the back. Got your bike rack, again, through the Thule. They do an awesome job with the Thule. You've got to come around on the side here. They've got a little canvas back here, so you can use this as a canvas room back in here. Got your bed, got plenty of storage down below here, plenty of outlets back here, another spray port, lights, water. I mean, this is perfect for getting off the road, you know, away from everybody else and just seeing the country. As we come over to the driver's side of the unit, you're going to notice again, more tinted safety, frameless windows. A lot of your things are going to be over here as far as like your sewer hose, your water heater, all your different plug-ins, your drains as far as to drain like your different holding tanks and everything too. All right, moving to the driver's seat. Has an awesome display up front here. Got your AC and your heat, volume buttons, your Bluetooth right in. Got your, you know, as far as turning up your different temperature settings. Awesome leather seats here, you know, gives you plenty of room to go back or forward. Has push start, you know, so to start everything, it's just a push start. Then all your controls are going to be right here on the steering wheel as well. Next, we're going to go ahead and move to the back and show you the rest of the rear of the coach. All right, starting in the center of the unit. So first thing is they've got solid surface countertops. So you get your refrigerator here, solid surface countertops here and up top. You're going to feature a stainless steel undermount sink. Plenty of storage cabinets here. You have a TV up top, place to sit with a table that can be moved in and out, give you plenty of functionality there. Directly across from here, you're going to have your bathroom. So this is going to be another wet bath, so you can take a shower. You can also, this is where your restroom will be too. So, you know, you've got both capabilities all in one in your bathroom there as well. Looking back at the very rear of the coach, that's where your bed's going to be. You got a lot of cabinets up above. You got your AC on board. So you got a ton of a ton of different areas back all throughout the coach on a very small unit. You know, you're only basically 19 foot. So you just, you got a lot of functionality, but not getting too long and everything as well. Again, my name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Thank you for taking the time today to go through this 2023 Tranquility Class B motorhome. The model was the 19L. If you got any questions at all, feel free to call me. My direct phone number is 937 843-4380. I will go over questions that you have. If this isn't like the particular one that you like the best, maybe I can help you find something different. We have nationwide service and warranty. So, we sell all over the United States. We're located in Lakeview, Ohio. We have multiple locations in Delaware, Mansfield, and also down in Texas as well. So we'd love to help you out. Love to make you part of the family. Thank you for your time.